Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a Gantt chart in Trello. All right, let's begin. First, open your Trello board and click the rocket ship icon at the top right corner. This opens the Power-Ups menu, which lets you add plugins to enhance your board's functionality. Click Add Power-Ups to browse available options. In the search bar, type Gantt to find Gantt chart tools. For example, you can choose Gantt chart by Placker or explore other options that suit your project needs. Check their features and reviews before making a selection. Once you select a Gantt power-up, click Add. You may need to authorize your Trello account with the power-up provider. Follow the prompts to complete this step. After authorization, a Gantt button will appear on your board's top bar. Click it to access and configure your Gantt chart. Customize it according to your project's timeline and task requirements to visualize your schedule clearly. So that's basically how you can create a Gantt chart in Trello. That's it for this video. Thanks.